Okay, so look at this. Look at these questions. These are simple elementary mathematics. These questions, number one, I and the II, say we should get the perimeter of the shapes, the perimeter of these shapes. How do you calculate or how do you determine the perimeter of a shape? The perimeter means the summation of all the sides bounding that shapes. All the sides bounding a particular shape. That's what perimeter is. So the sum of all the sides of this shape. That's what perimeter is. So for this first one, if you check, some of the sides are not labeled, but from what is labeled, you can determine what is not labeled. So now from here, you notice that here is 2 cm. This length, from here to here is 2 cm. So when looking at this, you agree with me that here is 2 cm. Here is also 2 cm. Because the length of this is 6. So the length of everything here should also be 6. This is 2, 2, 2. And the shape we ascertain to us that here is 2, here is 2. Since here is 2, here is also 2. So that is 6. So that is for this. We have determined those ones. Then again, from here to here is 2. From here to here is 2. That means that from here to here is also 2 cm. Here is also 2 cm. So to get the perimeter of this shape, number one I, the perimeter of this shape should be this length from here to here plus from here to here. So that should be 4 plus here is 2 plus here is 2 plus 2 plus this other 2 plus 2 plus another 2 plus 2 plus how many 2s? This 2, 2, 2, 2, and these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, so here is 4. From here to here is 4. That means that from here to here is also 4 cm. Here is 4. Here is 4. So plus 4 plus, then the whole of this one is 6 plus 6. So we add everything. This is going to be equal to, we do 4 plus 2, which is 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 4 is 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 6 should give us 24 cm. So the perimeter of this shape is 24 cm. This is 24 cm. The sum of all the sides that bounded the shape. So for this second one, here is 8 cm, here is 7 cm, here is 3 cm. So if here is 7 cm, here is 3 cm, that means that here should be 4. Here should be 4 cm. So here is 2. Here is 2. So look at here now, should be 2 cm. And here also should be 2 cm. Very important, because the whole of this is 8. Here is 2. Here is 2. That means that from here to here should be 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 should give us that 8. Simple. So we can now sum everything. So the perimeter will start from this 8 plus 7 plus 2. So we are not done. Remember that here is 4. This one is 4. Here also will be 4. Here will be 4. 4 cm. Here will be 4. This also will be 4 cm. Yes, because it's part of it. So look at this length. From here to here is 4. From here to here is 4. Because from here to here is also 4. Very, very important. Very, very important. So the perimeter is 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, then plus 3. That should be the perimeter. So for the II, number one II, the perimeter should be equal to, the perimeter should be equal to 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, again plus 4, then plus 2, then plus 4, then plus 2 again, then plus 3. That should be the perimeter. That should be the perimeter. 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. That's the perimeter. So the sides that are not clear, that are not given in the shape, you have to identify them yourself from the shape and from the ones that are given. Very important. So from here, you now notice that the perimeter is going to be equal to, therefore the perimeter will be equal to 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. 29 plus 4 is 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. And 35 plus 3 is 38 centimeters. 38 centimeters. And that is the answer. And that is the answer. So this is 15. Let me say 2, 2, 4, 6. Okay, here is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 2. This is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 4 is 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 5. Sorry, this is 5, 7, 9, 13, 15. So this 15. Let me come again, please. Like I didn't calculate well. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Good, 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. It's 15 plus 15 here, which is 30. 30 plus 8, 38. I think is correct. It's correct, 38. So this one is 38. This one is 24. 24. Then the next question, 3x minus 1 into this. So this one is simple expansion. Simple expansion. So let's take the first one. The first one now is number 2i. 3x plus, 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now, 3x minus 1 into this. We are using everything in this bracket to multiply everything in this bracket. So we do 3x, then open bracket, x plus 2. Then you do minus 1, then open bracket, x plus 2. So that from here, you notice that what we have here now is 3x plus 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. So this is going to be equal to 3x squared. 6x minus x is going to give us plus 5x, then minus 2. So that's what is going to be. So this is the answer. 3x squared plus 5x, then minus 2. That'll be the answer to that. So the next one is 2 open bracket 2x plus 3. Then open bracket again, x plus 1. This is II. So what do we do there? What do we do there? You first of all open the first bracket with 2. To open this first bracket with 2, you are going to have 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 3 is plus 6. We now have something like this. We now open the second bracket, x plus 1. So here now you have, just as we did here, you do 4x into x plus 1. Then plus 6 into x plus 1. So let me just clean up so that you can see what I'm doing clearly. So we do 4x. This is 4x into x plus 1. Then plus 6x. Sorry, plus 6 into x plus 1. So what we have here now is 4x squared. 4x times x is 4x squared. Plus 4x times 1 is 4x. Plus 6 times x is plus 6x. Plus 6 times 1 is plus 6. Simple. So what we now have here is 4x squared. 4x plus 6x will give us plus 10x plus 6. And this is the answer. That's the answer when you expand that. So these are simple questions or basic foundation questions in mathematics. They are things you should know from elementary school through junior high school or junior secondary school. These are things you should be very conversant with. Those of you that will be writing all these, junior checkpoints, even common entrance, not even common entrance, maybe basic. Even those that are writing common entrance too. These are things you should know for your exams.